Hi there, my name's Miss Benjamin. I teach science at George Salter Academy. I'm going to talk you through A-level chemistry, which we offer at our sixth form. Now, where chemistry can take you, if you're interested in doing veterinary science, you can do A-level. You can use A-level chemistry to get into that. If you're interested in doing medicine or dentistry at university, you can also use A-level chemistry. If you're interested in working as a lab technician, if you're interested in working in forensic science, we've also had people that have used A-level chemistry to get into the police. Or if you're interested in working within an educational setting, whether it's in a school or it could be working as an educational officer in a museum. Now, when you are picking your A-level subjects, you want to try and pick subjects that combine really well with each other, subjects where there are links with each other to support your learning. Ideal subject combinations would include A-level biology, A-level maths, A-level physics, but there's also other subjects such as A-level psychology, food science and geography. So for example, if you're interested in becoming a dietitian or if you're interested in analysing food as a career, food science would be ideal. If you're interested in going into environmental science or if you're interested in studying geology at university, it would be ideal to combine A-level chemistry with geography. Now, the reason why it's really important for you to think very carefully about your subjects that you're going to do is because you need to bear in mind that with A-levels, it's a 2-year course and all your exams are at the end of the 2 years. So you want to pick subjects where there's nice links between them. So when you are doing your revision, what you're revising will be supported another subject. It's less stress for you at the end of the 2 years when you're doing your revision. Now, if you're unsure if there's going to be links between your 3 subjects that you're thinking of doing, what I would recommend you do is have a look at the specifications for the subjects that you are considering. So for example, A-level chemistry, we use the exam board AQA. This is the website link. So I would advise that you have a look through the specification and then have a look through the specification for the other subjects that you're thinking of doing. See if there's nice links. Another thing to consider as well is what do you want to do at university or as a future career. It's worth having a look at the UCAS website if you go onto this link here, and if you can type in some courses that you think you like the sound of, and what you can find is what the universities will do is they will list what subjects they would like you to do. So this will help you make your decision on if you're doing A-level chemistry, what are the subjects to combine with it. Now, the entry requirements we ask for are grade 6s in sciences, specifically GCSE chemistry, and we also ask for grade 5s in English and maths. Now, the reason why we are very keen for you to be confident with your maths is because about 20% of the exam papers at A-level chemistry are maths questions, handling data. If you do have concerns about your maths, we do recommend that you do purchase this book. So it's the CGP revision book, but it's specifically Essential Maths for A-level chemistry. Now, how the course works, we've got 3 modules. So we've got physical chemistry, we've got inorganic chemistry, and we've got organic chemistry. So when I mentioned about picking subjects that combine really well with each other, if we think about organic chemistry, you study hydrocarbons, you also study fuels. You need to know about bonding as well, which comes up in inorganic chemistry. Now, A-level biology, for example, you also need to know about bonds when you're looking at the protein structure in A-level biology. So when you're doing your revision for bonding for A-level chemistry, you're also going to be revising your A-level biology at the same time. Now, the physical chemistry in year 1, these are the main topics that we cover. And then for the inorganic chemistry, we do look at the periodic table, we're comparing group 2 and group 7. And then for the organic chemistry, so for GCSE science, we would have started looking at hydrocarbons, looking at fractional distillation. So we're actually extending that and going into more detail, specifically looking at the compounds that we obtain from fractional distillation. We're going into that in more detail, looking at their properties. Now, In terms of practicals, there are 12 required practicals that you have to do, and you do need to pass these in order to achieve the full A level. Also, it's highly desirable for the universities as well for you to complete all these practicals, and employers as well. They appreciate you having those practical skills.